You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information,
that the PS also will not wait for the money to arrive. We just have to follow it up until we get it from them. And now the maintenance team, you heard what Peter said. Since he said we have the money, now the recruit should be done really, because we were told that they require time to work with this team here now, and our expert who's here working with the brigade, the engineering brigade, to work with them for a period of time so that they know what to do. When these people leave, we don't want to come here and find the work like it was before. That's why it is so important that we get this maintenance team here urgently, so that they begin to work with this team while they are still here and learn everything they have to learn, so that they can do excellent work when they are the ones in charge. I can only now applaud the contribution of everybody who's been involved in this work, beginning with the brigade, with the engineering brigade and the whole Ministry of Defense, with the minister representing the ministry, and the PS, and the whole team from the Ministry of Defense, from the Ministry of Works, and our own team from the Ministry of Education, led by the PS and the technical team. And I must also congratulate again you for what you have done, the defense team. And we must thank the President, like Peter said, because without him, it would have been difficult even to get the funding that we have already got. So we must thank him for what he has done so far, working with us on this journey. And with him, I believe we will get the balance that we must all work hard to get. Finally, let me again thank my son, Peter Ogwang, for the work he does every day, for his dedication and the excellent work he demands of all those we work with and all of you here present. I thank you. I pray that God will bless Uganda, bless all of us, to see this work really well finished and the sports take place here in a place that gives all of us pride. I trust that all those other things will be concluded right on time. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.